Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to mark your media as sensitive on the X app, so your followers are properly warned if your posts contain content that may be sensitive. This is important if you regularly share media that could be considered graphic, violent, or adult in nature. First, open the X app on your device. Once you're in, tap your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will open a menu where you'll find the options Settings and Privacy. Tap on that to proceed. Next, you'll be taken to the Settings page. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. This section controls who sees your content and how it is managed regarding sensitivity. Inside Privacy and Safety, look for the option labeled Your Posts and tap on it. Here, you'll see a toggle that says, Mark media you post as containing material that may be sensitive. Toggle this switch on. Once enabled, any media you post will be marked as sensitive, and visitors to your profile will see a warning message that your account may include potentially sensitive content. This warning helps ensure that people can decide whether or not to view your posts if they prefer to avoid sensitive material. That's it. You've successfully set your posts to be marked as sensitive on the X app. This setting helps you communicate clearly with your audience and keeps everyone informed about the nature of your content. Remember, if you frequently share sensitive media, keeping this setting on is both responsible and respectful to your followers. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your content safely and thoughtfully.